The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Preparation time, 40 minutes. Cooking time, 15-20 minutes. Cost yield, about 20-24 balls. Ondeh-Ondeh are soft, chewy glutinous rice balls infused with the fragrance of Pandan and filled with chopped gula melaka. When you bite into one, the palm sugar bursts into a molten, caramel-like syrup that contrasts beautifully with the tender pandan dough and the slightly salted grated coconut coating. They are one of Malaysia's most beloved kuih, enjoyed across Malay, Nyonya Peranakan, and broader Southeast Asian cultures, known as klepon in Indonesia. Dough. Pandan leaves, 10, as desired. Water, 2 tablespoons, as desired. Glutinous rice flour, 3/4 cup, as desired. Filling, palm sugar, 4 tablespoons, chopped, as desired. Granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons, as desired. Coating. Coconut, 1/4, grated, white, as desired. Salt, a pinch, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Extract the pandan juice. Pound the pandan leaves until fine. Add 2 tablespoons of water and strain through a fine sieve or muslin cloth to extract the fragrant green pandan juice. Set aside. 2. Prepare the gula melaka filling. Chop the palm sugar into small pieces and mix it together with the granulated sugar. The smaller the pieces, the easier the filling will melt into syrup during cooking. Set aside. 3. Prepare the coconut coating. Mix the grated white coconut with a pinch of salt. For food safety and a softer texture, you may steam the salted coconut for 2-3 minutes per the Rasa Malaysia cross-reference, then let it cool completely. Set aside in a shallow bowl for rolling later. 4. Make the dough. Mix the glutinous rice flour with the pandan juice to get a stiff dough. If the dough is crumbly and too dry, add a little water, just enough to bind the flour into a stiff dough. 5. Cook knead technique for a smooth, elastic dough. Take a small piece of dough the size of a marble, press it into a flat disc, and cook it in a saucepan of boiling water. When it boils and floats to the surface, remove it, drain it, and knead it back into the uncooked dough. This gives a smooth and pliable dough that is much easier to shape and less prone to cracking. Cooking steps. 1. Portion and shape the dough. Roll the dough into a long roll about 2.5 cm in diameter and cut it into pieces the size of small marbles. 2. Fill and seal the balls. With your fingers, shape each piece into a small cup. Place some of the mixed sugar, chopped gula melaka plus granulated sugar into the hollow. Draw the dough together to close the mouth completely, then roll it gently between your palms to shape into a neat ball. Seal tightly. Any gap will let the molten sugar leak out during boiling. 3. Boil the balls. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Drop the balls in batches into the rapidly boiling water. Cook until they float to the surface. This takes only a few minutes. Use a slotted spoon to scoop them out and shake off any excess water. 4. Coat in grated coconut. While the balls are still warm and slightly tacky, toss them in the salted grated coconut so the coating adheres evenly. Roll gently to coat all sides. 5. Serve. Serve ondeh-ondeh warm in banana leaf baskets. They are best eaten fresh on the same day, while the gula melaka center is still molten and the coconut is fresh.